तो हेलो एवरीवन। हम लोग कौन कौन सा टॉपिक कवर कर चुके थे और कौन सा टॉपिक बचा हुआ था, तो देख लेते हैं एक बार। तो हम लोग कवर कर चुके थे एडवेंट ऑफ यूरोपियंस, सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म्स, रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, बंगाल पार्टीशन और गांधीयन एरा। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट एंड साइमन कमीशन से। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं देन। तो सोशलिज्म क्या होता है? व्हाट इज सोशलिज्म? Theory of socialism was given by Karl Marx. He stated that only option to remove the rich classes from society is mass struggle. Okay. Reason for socialism: Russian Revolution in 1970. In 1920, All India Trade Union Congress was founded by Lala Lajpat Rai, Joseph Baptista, and M. Joshi. N. M. Lokhardwe is known as the father of trade union movement. He founded Bombay Mill Association. Spread of socialism and communism. Communist Party of India was formed by M.N. Roy in Tashkent, Uzbekistan in 1920. In 1924, the party was involved in Kanpur Bolshevik conspiracy case. People involved: S.A. Dange, Muzaffarpur Ahmad, Shaukat Usmani, etc. In 1925, CPI was formalized in Kanpur. Okay. In 1929, Meerut conspiracy case occurred. Okay. And novels and books: Bandi Jeevan by Sachin Sanyal, and Patthar Dabi by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay. And Philosophy of Bomb by B.C. Ohara. Event around India in Punjab, UP, Bihar. So in 1924, Hindustan Republican Association was formed in Kanpur by Ram Prasad Bismil, J.C. Chatterjee and Sachin Sanyal. In 1925, Kakori train robbery took place in Kakori, a place near Lucknow. Participants who were hanged to death: Afasullah Khan, Roshan Singh, Ram Prasad Bismil and Rajendra Lahiri. In 1926, Punjab Naujawan Bharat Sabha was formed by Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh fully accepted Marxism. Hindustan Republican Association, which was later transformed to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association (HSRA) in 1928 at Firoz Shah Kotla. Okay. By Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev. In 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai protested against Simon Commission and recited slogan "Simon Go Back." He was hit by Scott during Lathi charge, due to which he died afterwards. In 1928, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru killed Saunders instead of Scott mistakenly in Lahore to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and Bhukteswar Dutt bombed Central Legislative Assembly. Reason: to protest against Public Safety Bill 1928, as it was anti-national, as said by Swaraj Party, and Trade Dispute Bill 1929. Purpose: to no kill to anyone but to make deep here. In 1929, Chandrasekhar Azad was involved in conspiracy to blow up Lord Irwin's train. Unfortunately, the plan failed. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were tried in Lahore conspiracy case and hanged on 23 March 1931, now celebrated as Shahid Divas. Okay. Not 30 January, the day Gandhiji died, is also known as Shahidi Divas. Book written by Bhagat Singh, Why I Am an Atheist. Statue of Chandrasekhar Azad at Alfred Park. It is now as Chandrasekhar Azad Park, where he shot himself in 27 February 1931 in Allahabad. In Bengal, in 1930, Chittagong Armory raid was led by Suri Sen, also known as Master Da. Women participants involved were Pratilatha Vedagar, Kalpana Datta, Sunitri Chetri and Veena Das. Okay. Simon Commission. Government of India Act 1919 was said to be reviewed by a commission in 10 years, but it announced the appointment of a commission in just 8 years after the act, under the chairmanship of John Simon. Okay. Clement Attlee, who later became PM of Britain, was a member of Simon Commission. In 1928, the commission arrived in India, which was a 7-member commission. All white and no Indians. Revolt against it was set in motion with slogan "Simon Go Back," term coined by Yusuf Meher Ali. Recommendation of Simon Commission: abolition of diarchy, federal system of government should be introduced in India, extended voting rights, separate Muslim electorate. It rejected the separation of Sindh from Bombay. The demand of frontier for equal status was also neglected. It rejected one-third Muslim seat in Central Assembly. Madras session of Congress of 1928. So President M.S. Ansari, it It was a special session which passed a resolution calling for boycott of Simon Commission. Response to Simon Commission that the Secretary Weekendade challenged the Indian leaders to draft their own constitution. Congress set up a committee under the chairmanship of Motilal Nehru which presented Nehru report. Demand in Nehru report rejected separate electorate, demand for dominion status, linguistic province, 19 fundamental rights and a responsible government. Delhi proposal were given by Muslim League in 1927. Jinnah presented his 14 point 1929. Ignores Jinnah's point in the same manner she ignores you. Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and Srinivasa Iyer formed Indian Independence League in 1928. The League was formed in opposition to the Nehru report. Those in support of Simon Commission, Bhimrao Ambedkar and Hindu Mahasabha founded in 1915 by Madan Mohan Malviya. Okay, factors that led to civil disobedience movement. Calcutta session 1928. In this session, Nehru report was expected. Irwin Declaration 1929. This is also known as Deepavali Declaration. Viceroy Lord Irwin promised dominion status in the future and a round table conference post Simon Commission's report. Delhi Manifesto 1929. It outlined several key conditions by Indian leaders for participating in the round table conference. Lahore session 1929. It was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru. Decision taken. First round table conference table be boycotted. Goal: Purna Saurashtra, complete independence. 31 December 1929. Flag was hoisted by Jawaharlal Nehru on the bank of Ravi River with slogans Inqilab Zindabad. 26 January 1930 was fixed at the first Independence Day. Congress authorized to launch civil disobedience movement. Gandhi presented his 11 demands as a ultimatum before launching civil disobedience movement. Dominion status was first demand by Tej Bahadur Sapru and M.R. Jayakar. Inqilab Zindabad slogan was given by Hasrat Mohani. Okay, civil disobedience movement. Dandi March. Dandi March was the beginning of civil disobedience movement. Time period 12 मार्च से लेकर 6 अप्रैल 1930. गांधी जी मार्च 241 miles along with 78 delegates from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad to Dandi Nursery to violate salt law, due to which it is also known as salt satyagraha. Gandhi decided to raid Darsana, Gujarat, but Ambas Tayabi led the raid in Darsana salt works after the Gandhi was arrested 14th May. Salt was chosen as the theme because of the government tax on salt and its monopoly over its production, which revealed government's oppressive face. Campaign across India in Royatwadi areas, no payment of revenue in Jamindar areas, no chokidar tax in central province, violation of forest laws, participation of leaders in different states. Tamil Nadu, C. Gopalachari led salt march from Tiruchirappalli to Vedrayaniyam. Malabar, K. Kalappan. Odisha, Gopal Bandhu Chaudhary. Bihar, Ambika Kant Sinha. Nakhas Pond was chosen as a site to violate salt law. Peshawar, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan or Badshah Khan or Frontier Gandhi. He launched Red Shirt movement, established Khudai Khidamatkar, servant of God. Darsana, Sarojini Naidu, Imam Sahib and Mani Lal took up the unfinished task of Gandhi in Darsana. Sarojini Naidu also persuaded Gandhi to seek women participation. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay famously said to Gandhi, "Do not restrict this movement to men alone." Manipur and Nagaland, Rani Gandhi Nuru, forms of mobilization. Prabhat Pheri, Vinod Sena, Manjari Sena was organized for mobilizing the masses. Gandhi Irwin Pact 1931. It was signed on February 14 between Gandhi and Irwin. Irwin demanded to Gandhi to suspend civil disobedience movement, participate in second round table conference. Gandhi's demands, which were expected by Irwin: release political prisoners not convicted of violence, give the confiscated properties back to Indians which are not at sold to third parties, right to produce salt for personal consumption, right to make salt in coastal village for personal consumption. Gandhi's demand, which were not expected by Irwin: public inquiry into public police excesses, commutation of death sentence to Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Karachi session में क्या कहता है दोस्तों? It was held on 29 March 1931, presided by Sardar Patel. Gandhi-Irving Pact on Delhi was expected. Congress agreed to participate in second roundtable conference, and CDM was suspended. The goal of Purna Swaraj was retreated for the first time. Meaning of Purna Swaraj was stated. Two resolutions were adopted: fundamental rights and nominal economic policy. Roundtable conference were held in London to discuss about Simon Commission report and future reforms for the country. 3 roundtable were held. First, नवंबर 1930 से 1931. सेकेंड 1931 से दिसंबर 1931. It is the only roundtable where Gandhi and Congress participated. थर्ड राउंड-टेबल 1932 से नवंबर 1932 से दिसंबर 1932. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar attended all round-table conference. Second round-table conference failed due to non-acceptance of demand of Congress by British government, and due to which Congress decided on 29th December 1931 to resume the civil disobedience movement. The then Viceroy Wellington also refused a meeting with Gandhi on 4th January 1932. Gandhiji was arrested. Finally, on April 1934, Gandhi withdrew the civil disobedience movement.